Welcome back, everyone. I'll go and show you exactly how to reset your AirPods. It's a very easy process, doesn't take too much time. All you want to do is, first of all, make sure you have all of your AirPods, so both AirPods, inside of the case in and of itself. So you can see my left AirPod and my right AirPod are in the case. Then what you want to do is you want to locate on the back of your AirPods, and every single AirPods case has this. The AirPods Max is a little bit different, but for these AirPods, this is the process. What I do is I open up the flap, so it's going to be a little different here. You want to hold down this back button that's on the back of all these AirPods. So you can see there's a circular button right here. And all you want to do is make sure your AirPods case are charged and your AirPods are charged up. Now what you want to do here is you want to press down on that little button on the back. You'll see this white button, and when you start seeing a flash, that means this AirPod case is essentially, going to go ahead and has the ability of being synced up with a different set of, devices, and you can see it starting to blink. And that's all you have to do. So sometimes you may have to click it in, hold it down for a couple seconds, and then let go, then hold it down a couple more seconds. That's the other way you can do it. And as you can see, you can go ahead and connect it to a different device, a different iPhone, different iPad, MacBook, Android device. And that is pretty much the process. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.